Hi guys, welcome to Hybrid X. Welcome again to another video. I've been posting a lot about trading psychology, and today I thought to do something around the chart, guys, because I don't like posting about charts and all. I get a lot of controversies, but today's video I'm going to trade gold for the first ever. Like today is going to be my first time trading gold. I literally opened like gold today, and it has been something I want to do. I want to do for a long time, but gold is not my thing. But then I've been trading synthetics, a lot of VIX and the likes. And even though I want to teach on um forex pairs, I do use GBP USD. If you've watched any videos on my channel, you know that I do, analyze GBP USD. But today I'm going to work on gold. Yes, my first time analyzing gold. And the lesson today is how to, you know, s- choose a pair for the first time and get get an entry or be able to trade that particular pair and know exactly what you are doing trading a pair for the first time. Not only trading a pair for the first time. In fact, every day or every week of the market, when the market starts, or before the market starts, you are supposed to do your analysis to know where the market is going to head for the week so that you can, position yourself ahead. So definitely you have to do some sort of scraping your mind off of what has happened in the past and um making yourself see what the market is about to do in the future. That means you have to it at some point when you would have to like clear your old charts, clear your demand zone, supply zone, so that you can see clearly, because at some point when you are hitting the loss or the losses and it will just a losing streak, which is a normal thing. It happens. It means your perception of the market is a bit not clear. So you'd have to like clear the chart and start all over again. This video is for you so that you can know exactly what to do when you want to start trading a new pair, or do you want to see the market differently. So let's dive into the video, guys. So this is GBP USD, as you can see on my screen. And first of all, what I did here, because this is a new pair, I've never traded it before, I went straight to the 1 month time frame. I want to do my top-down analysis to just know what the market is doing on a broader view. So according to what I can see here on the daily time frame, the market is really surging up so far with a lot of support and resistance. This is the monthly time frame, so we are not going to be able to see a lot of levels right here. But I want to map out like one or two levels. We should know the like major levels that that has been happening lately over the past few years, because this is a yearly or this, even though it's in the month, but we are seeing price action for over a year right here. So that is it. That is our first major resistance and support level. Then we are going back up. So far, no resistance and support. According to what I can see here on the monthly time frame, the data here is that price is going in an uptrend, but this surge of downtrend around here is just, let me show you that place around here. This that pullback is just showing that okay, the market is doing a pullback currently, to somewhere around, but not up to this not up to this um resistance that I've just drawn. So that is it, guys. Then we are going down to the weekly time frame to see what the weekly time frame is showing us. So we are just doing a basic overview. Let me cancel this also. So the market, I like my charts to be as clear as possible. Please, if you are starting out the new pair, make your charts as clear as possible. You don't want to confuse yourself. You don't want to confuse yourself at all. So this is our first support and resistance. I'm also seeing something around there Going to the weekly time frame now, more structures are opening. So I'm seeing something around here also. This is also a place that price can respect in the future. This is also, I'm also going to clone the resistance I just drew here, because I'm also seeing something up, something close to where our price is currently at, and where we can actually look to take entries throughout the week. So yeah, so that's actually the level. And then I'm also going to put an horizontal ray here for me to know the highest point price has actually gotten to in the past. Yeah, so that price point is the highest point, or highest recent point that price has actually gotten to in the past, so that we'll know the highest and the lowest ever. Yeah, so on the weekly time frame also, according to my strategy, at every time frame I should at least be able to map out levels and be able to also know the trend of the market. Yes, I should be able to map out level and also be able to know the trend of the market, even though I'm not going to use it. Basically, I use the daily time frame, 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, and I use the 15-minute time frame to enter. Yes. So I don't really use the monthly time frame or weekly time frame for anything. I just want to know, the overview. I just want to have a broader perspective of the market, guys. So um this is what the weekly time frame is telling me. But according to what I'm seeing on the overall, price action, I'm just seeing that price is in an uptrend, which is good, but it is coming down to do a retracement, which might retrace for still for some time. It might even retrace. I'm coming. It might even retrace all the way to this point. It might retrace all the way to that point. But we are currently here right now, and what we are trying to make sure right at this first support and resistance zone that I drew here is to know if the price is actually going to if price is actually going to come up like this, and then sorry about that, to know if price is actually going to come up somewhere around here, and then somewhere around there, and then come back, continue going down. That's one 50% of what price is going to do. And the other 50% of what price is going to do is that there's a possibility for price to also continue going down all the way to this resistance, then starts going back all the way up. So those are the two possible things that price is going to do, and it is our duty to go down to the lower time frame to make sure that you know we are able to get on the right track. So that is it, guys. Yeah. So um according to what I said with my strategy, I on every time frame I make sure that I map out, or I know the trend of the market, and I also know the um I map out my levels, which I've done already. So I'm going down to the direction of the market now is going on a downtrend. Definitely, it is coming. It is going on uptrend, but the market is pulling back. We don't have any problem with the uptrend. What we have problem with, or what we are looking at, is what the market is actually doing around that level, which I told you earlier. So it is going down. There's every possibility that the market is actually going to go down, but we don't know if it's going to go up first before going down. That's the problem. Ehen. So let's go straight to the daily time frame, which is where I now start to think. This daily time frame here is where I now start to troubleshoot and think, do a lot of deep thinking, and start applying my mindset. So um according to what I'm seeing here on this price action, price has already done a double tap. Price has done a double tap already around this place, as you can see. A double tap on that um, support level. There's every possibility that price is going to go up. Now, there's something I also didn't do. I just realized it now. Let's go back to the weekly time frame. I didn't map out. There's a level here too. I didn't map it out. Let me quickly do that. Yeah. So that is this level I mapped out here just now. Indicates it indicates where price might most likely bounce off. So if it wants to do a pullback in the downtrend, price will most likely bounce up to somewhere around here, then continue going back down. So that is what we are looking for now. So if you are going to buy, most likely the price will buy all the way to this point before we'll know what to do next at that point in time. So let's continue to our daily time frame, guys. So this is the daily time frame. Oh, this is the daily time frame, and according to what I can see here, let me just map it out using this. According to what I can see here, price actually did a double tap on that zone, which it signifies a more bullish response. But of course, in trading, we still have to keep our minds open to price. We won't be, pushed out. You know, yeah. So it is okay to be wrong. That's just it about trading. That's just it about trading, guys. So um, right now on the daily time frame, we are looking more to the to take a buy option. So we are going to be 4 hour time frame. What is 4 hours telling us right now? So 4 hours now, this we are now, the price is now getting more large. We are now seeing, structures everywhere. We are seeing structures everywhere. We are seeing structures everywhere. So so um for me, I the way I'm looking at this price action right now, sorry about that. This is a level here for me. Let me use my horizontal ray. This is a level here for me that has been, this is a level here which when price opens tomorrow, we are now going to concentrate on. If we see a if you see a push to the upside, I'm going to go for the buy. But below this level, if price closes below this level tomorrow, then you should go for a sale. Yes, that is the right way to do it, guys. So on the 4 hour time frame, we are still not making our decisions yet, but there's a lot of levels right here. But those levels are not our concern. We've actually picked out two levels, which is this main level that I drew directly from the monthly time frame, and also this level here, which price is most likely going to, respect. But we are not going to also make any decision, but we are speculating. Like I said, we are speculating. So next, we go to the 1 hour time frame. Definitely on the 1 hour time frame, you should know what you are already going to do if you are going to buy or sell on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I'm going to repeat, on the 1 hour time frame, if you are going to buy or if you are going to sell the market, you should already know on the 1 hour time frame. You are not supposed to go to your 15-minute time frame to know whether you are going to buy or sell. Your 15-minute time frame should only be a confirmation based on what you're having on your 1 hour time frame. And your 1 hour time frame is also a confirmation based on the trend pattern and also the levels you got from your daily time frame and 4 hour time frame. So on my 4 hour time frame right now, if I'm to place this trade right now, I will be going for a buy. I'll be looking out for a buy. Why? Because this was a level here that price has respected, which I've already mapped out. Price has respected this level, which price was going on an uptrend from there. There's every possibility that price is going to come back to that level and retest, which it just did. And now there's going to be now what we should be expecting now is a push to the upside. Do you get a push to the upside? That's what we should be expecting now. So if I'm to trade tomorrow, I'm going to go in for a buy. Why am I going in for a buy? I just explained. So now that I've already made my decision that I should be going in for a buy, I'm not supposed to actually take my entries on the 1 hour time frame. Entries are strictly on the 15-minute time frame and 5 minute time frame for entry for my confirmation or sniper entry. We are going to do sniper entry in another video. If you want me to do sniper entry in another video, just let me know in the comments section below so that I can make another video for you on sniper entry. And let me also know in the comment section if you're enjoying this video so far. I'm breaking down my strategy for you if I am going to start a new pair from scratch, and I'm actually showing you how I am doing that for free, guys. Do well to also like and subscribe so that this video can reach out to more people out there, and yeah, so that our community can grow. And yes, thank you so much for that. I really appreciate. So so down to the 5 minutes, on the 5 minutes here, you should only be looking to enter the market. And because you are entering the market on the 15 minutes rather, doesn't mean you should just jump into the market anyhow like that. You should wait for the market to get to where you want to enter. You should wait to the market to give you entry confirmations, entry confluences, before you enter into the market, because that is actually the right way to enter into the market to increase your chances of going to the right direction. There are several times where the market will be giving you possibilities of going for a buy, you know, from the daily time frame or 4 hour time frame or the 1 hour time frame. All of them are in confluence, and all of a sudden you enter too early. The market did a pullback of a sell against you, took out your stop loss and start going in your direction. It happens all the time. So that is why you have to when you come to the 15-minute time frame, you have to exercise patience for the market to actually start moving before you up into the market. Yes, you have to wait for the market to start moving before you up into the market. So that is what we are doing. Before you decide to enter into the market, first you need to wait for all for your 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, and daily time frame to all be in confluence. Your 1 hour time frame should be telling you to buy. Your 4 hour time frame should be telling you to buy. Even if your daily time frame should not is not telling you to buy at the point in time, which means that you are going to just hold the market for not for long. Your At least your 4 hour time frame and your 1 hour time frame should be telling you to either buy or sell. That's you to be telling you like the direction you are supposed to go into. That's it. So right now, um my daily time frame is telling me that price is going down. My 4 hour time frame is telling me that price is going down, but the price is about to change direction. It's about to reverse to go up, which means I'm going on the upward direction. My 1 hour time frame is also telling me that price is going to go up, which means I'm also going on the 1 hour time frame. I mean, I'm also going to buy the market rather. Sorry about that. So that is why coming to the 15-minute time frame, I am also looking to buy into the market, guys. So that is how it is. Then I cannot just buy like that. I have to wait for confluences. What do I have to wait for? I have to wait for confluences. Confluences includes weak rejections. This is an example of a weak rejection here, but it has to be multiple. This is just one weak rejection. We have to see more confluences rather. This is weak rejection, as you can see. If you want me to explain what weak rejection means in another video, just let me know. I don't want this video to be long. So you have to see weak rejections. Then you also have to see there are also morning stars, evening stars. Do you understand? You can just go to your Google search entry confirmations. You will see a lot of entry confirmations are there. But the entry confirmations I use most of the time because I trade deriv. I use morning star and evening star entry confirmations. I also use weak rejections most of the time. And sometimes it just doesn't give me a reason to buy or sell. I just try to be bold, but I do it less of the time, guys. So um for me to go for the buy, I have to see a weak rejection signifying the price is pushing to the buy direction. Then I'm going to go up into the market, guys. And usually I target 1 to 3 or 1 to 2 minimum. Yeah, 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. That is what I target. If I see that there's a possibility for me to for the market to go in my favor, I target 1 to 3. So that is 1 to 3 right there. After targeting 1 to 3, I set my stop loss and take profit based on market levels. Based on market levels. So if you've not heard anything about TP1, TP2, this is what TP1 means. TP1 and TP2 just literally means market levels. This is TP1. If I'm actually to take this trade tomorrow morning, because this is night, I'm trading by 7. I'm trading this. I'm teaching by 7 p.m. This is 7 p.m. So if I'm to place this XAUUSD trade tomorrow, I'm actually going to go for a buy. And if I'm to look forward to take TP1, that is where my TP1 is going to be. And also, if I'm to look forward to take profit at TP2, this is where my TP2 is going to be. Do you get? Which is actually 1 to 3 already. Do you get? So that is it. That is it, guys. That is it for this video. And also my stop loss, which is very important. Stop loss should be the first thing that you are supposed to set before even setting your take profit. So I recommend 20 pips stop loss usually, but trading forex is different from trading synthetic indices, but the volatility is kind of different. I know that XAUUSD is so volatile, yeah. So usually what I want to do setting my stop loss is that I want to set my stop loss a bit lower than where the week of the candle, which is this week of the candle, has actually happened. And as you can see, this is the week of the candle. This is sorry about that. As you can see, this is the week of the candle, and my stop loss is actually a bit lower than the week of the candle. Yeah, just in case price decides to just in case price decides to come a bit down to touch this week before it starts going all the way up. So just to put myself on the right corner. So that is it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, do well to smash that like button. Let me know in the comment section. I really want to know if you enjoyed this video, so that I can be motivated to put out more content out there for you guys. Yeah, so that I can put out more content for you guys. Peace out, guys. Peace out, guys. Love you guys so much. Bye.